In this video, I'm going to tell you why you suck at running. And I'm going to tell you how to fix it. Let's go. All right, story time. Just a mere 9 months ago, if you'd asked me to run even a mile, I probably would have died. Now I'm running marathons, half marathons, ultra marathons from utilizing these tips. Number one, you run too hard. Not every training session is a race. Running harder isn't always better. Point one, you need to go slower. There's a common saying that's utilized to help individuals understand this, and that is you want to train slow to run fast. So when you're training, you often want to be running at a pace at which you could have a conversation. If you look at a heart rate chart, you'll find that there's different zones that are given to this area, and it's common to be described as zone 2. Spending most of your training time here generally is going to help to allow training to feel easier, be better, and often return a better long-term payoff. Number two, you don't run consistently. Nah, skip the run, more water boy. You gotta get consistent. You gotta go running at least 1 to 3 times a week. The more, the better. You'll see better gains with it. Number three, you don't prepare for your run. You need to hydrate. You need to have a snack. Make sure you relieve yourself. Make sure you wear some sort of compression gear. Ain't nobody got time for chafing. And finally, get yourself a good pair of shoes. It'll make a huge difference. By preparing for your run with these few simple things, it's going to make the process far more enjoyable. You'll have better outcomes and you just crush your run versus having to hold in a dump or being really dehydrated and fatigued. Number four, your technique sucks. Mistake one, you overstride. Second mistake, your cadence is way too slow. Cadence is the number of steps you take per minute. A really low cadence is associated with more injuries and having a harder time with running. So we want to try to crank up that cadence, get a faster foot turnover, and shorten up those steps. Cleaning up your technique is going to be really beneficial to reduce your injury risk, improve your performance, and just make running feel better. Now, if you want some help with it, I suggest that you check out the Assault Fitness Air Runner. One of these treadmills is fantastic because it gives you feedback while you're running. This curved aspect will enhance your ability to find the right stride length, because if you're overstriding, you're going to feel as you contact the front part, and it's going to give you feedback as the tread changes pace. As well, if your cadence is off, you're going to be noticing that it's not able to maintain the same pace while you're actually going. So utilizing one of these can give you a ton of feedback while you're actually running. I've got a link down my bio that you can check out with it. Number five, you got to get stronger. No. I'm talking getting stronger. You should be doing a squat variation, a hinge variation, and a calf raise variation on a regular basis. In addition, doing some accessories like Nordics and planks is really beneficial just to comprehensively give you a full program. All right, let's recap. Number one, you need to run slower. Number two, you need to be more consistent. Number three, you need to prepare for your runs to be the best position possible. Number four, you need to work on your technique. And number five, you probably should start getting stronger. Doing these collectively is going to be a huge benefit. It's going to make running way more comfortable. You're going to have better performance, less injuries, and all around just be a better enjoyment process for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.